Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Vikrant Publishers with Hindi Book 1, Varnamala, Hindi Alphabet. Children, you know very well that in the Hindi is our national language, and for every language there is Varnamala in which we learn alphabet. From the letters of the alphabet, we start forming the words, then we start forming sentences. As in English, in Hindi also, there are vowels. They are called swar, vowels. These swar or vowels give sound to the words. They produce or they give sound to the words. See how many swar are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And for your convenience, children, in the textbook, the pronunciation of each and every letter is given in English letters. You can see just under the Hindi letter, you are given the English pronunciation also, English letters also. So, how is this pronounced? A. Children, very carefully listen to the pronunciation. A. A. E. E. O. O. R. A, I, O, Au, Aha. Now repeat the pronunciation of the letters, children. These are the letters called swar or vowels in English, which give sound to the words that are formed with different letters. Okay, children, repeat. A, E, E, O, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Have you learned the pronunciation, children? Now repeat. Let us repeat once more. A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. These letters are called swar in Hindi, vowels in English. Now, next we learn consonants or vyanjan. Yes, children. Now, let us learn consonants. We have already learnt swar or vowels. Now, vyanjan. They are called consonants in English. Look at the pronunciation very carefully, children. And the pronunciation of each and every letter is already given there in the textbook also in English letters. Just under the Hindi letter, English letters also are given for you to learn the pronunciation very quickly. Okay, very carefully listen to this, children. This is ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, फ ब भ म य र ल व श श स ह. How many consonants are there? कितने व्यंजन हैं? Children, how many consonants are there? Count them. There are 33 consonants. Consonants are 33 in number. You can see 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 25, 29, 33. Samyuktakshar or Dvitvakshar, there are 3. Okay, we come to that later. First, let us again learn the pronunciation of these consonants. Children, they are called Vyanjan in Hindi. Vyanjan. And look at the English letters which are given there just under each and every Hindi letter there, so that you can easily learn the pronunciation. I repeat, you also follow me, you also repeat after what I read here. Okay, children? Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. You understand, children? The pronunciation for which English letters also are given. You can easily learn the pronunciation of these letters. The way we pronounce the letters, you should be able to write that letter and whatever words that we are going to learn in the coming lessons. Okay, children? I repeat, you also repeat. Very slowly we learn the reading of these Vyanjan or consonants now. Ka. Repeat. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Okay, children, have you learned the pronunciation properly? You have to repeatedly read those letters as I pronounced here slowly. You also start learning pronouncing the letter properly. Okay. Now finally we learn Samyuktakshar, means combined letters. These are also called Dvitvakshar. In Telugu also you have got the alphabet like that only. Swar, Vyanjan, Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar is formed of 2 or more letters together. 2 or more letters of alphabet, when they are combined, we get these letters. Look at this, Ksha. Ksha is formed by 2 letters. Look at this, children. Ka, sha, ksha. Ka, sha, ksha. So this is formed of two letters. That's the reason it should be pronounced as ksha. Tra. Sanyuktakshar second letter is pronounced tra. Tra, which includes ta, ra, a. Three letters. Tra. Ksha, tra. This is pronounced as jna. Jna. This letter is pronounced as jna. This is formed of ja, na, jna. So, because these letters are formed by combining two or three other letters of the alphabet, we call them Sanyuktakshar or combined letters. Okay, children? Shall we repeat this reading again? Look at this. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Sanyuktakshar, ksha, tra, jna. Okay, children? Now, yes, children, now let us learn reading of all the alphabet, all the letters of the Hindi alphabet. First, let us read the swar or vowel letters. Carefully follow. Look at your textbook, page number 4. Page number 4, textbook, if you look at, you can easily follow the pronunciation. Look at page number 4, children. I am going to read out the letters of the Hindi alphabet, Varnamala. Swar. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Vyanjan, consonants. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Sanyuktakshar. Ksha, tra, jna. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of learning English Hindi alphabet, Varnamala. Read and practice these letters. Pronunciation is very important in every language. Thank you, children. We'll meet again in the next class.